Hi students, this is Miss Wenstrom here, one of your SAS PE teachers. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use a pedometer and also the functions of the pedometers that we use at SAS. Now in this first clip here you will see that this is the container that we keep our pedometers in. When we're doing activities with pedometers, this is where you will get yours out from. So you go ahead and take one of those out. You're going to want to open it up. And if you see a blank screen, that doesn't mean that it's not working. It just means that it might be in power saving mode. So go ahead and hit the reset button, which is the yellow button. Hit that reset button and it should turn on. If it doesn't turn on, go see your PE teacher and they can help you with that problem. Okay? Next, I'm going to teach you the different modes of the pedometer. This first mode that we see on the screen is the step mode. And you can see that this student has done 3,313 steps. Now the step mode counts every step you take while wearing the pedometer. Okay? So the next mode, when we hit the blue button, the next mode it goes to is the act time. Act time stands for activity time, and that calculates the total amount of time you are active. So it will only accumulate time when you are moving. Okay? That means whatever speed you're moving, when you're on your feet and moving, it will calculate or add up time here, accumulate the time. Okay? So if you hit the mode button again, you will see that it goes to the Mvpa time mode. Now Mvpa stands for moderate to vigorous physical activity and calculates the total amount of time you are moving above your personal Mvpa level. I'm going to show you how to calculate your Mvpa level in a second, but just know that this screen, when you're moving at a moderate to vigorous physical activity level, you will calculate time on this. That mainly means if you just think of when you're moving at a brisk walking speed, jog or run, that time will be calculated here. Okay? Next, when you hit the mode button, it'll go back to the step mode. We only have 3 modes on this pedometer. Okay? When you're done, you can reset and hold down that yellow button for 4 seconds. You see CLR, that'll flash on that side of the screen. That means that it's going to clear it. Okay? If you accidentally bump that button and it starts to, you see the CLR, doesn't mean it's going to clear. Just take your finger off that. But if you hold it down for 4 seconds, you will lose the score that you've been using. Okay? It'll go back to 0. Alright? Close that up and it should be ready to use. Now, when you're going to put it on your shorts, there's a clip on the back of the pedometer. Okay? Go ahead and clip that to your shorts. And there's also here, this is a safety clip. That will help the pedometer, if for some reason it slipped off your shorts, it will catch it so that it doesn't smash to the floor and break. Okay? When you're placing it on your shorts, a little bit off to the side I've found have worked best for students, but go ahead, play around with it, see if it's not calculating your steps. You're going to want to move it to the side a little bit more. Okay? Go ahead, clip that to your shorts just like that, and you're ready to play. Now, I'm going to show you in this next slide how to set your Mvpa level. For 1 minute, you are going to walk around the gym at a brisk walking speed. Okay, at a brisk walking speed to set your Mvpa level. Just like this. Okay, so for 1 minute, you're walking, brisk walking speed. And when your teacher blows a whistle for you to stop, stop right away so that you get it set right on that minute. Okay? Open it up. And when you look at it, you're going to want to get it to the Mvpa time mode. So you're going to hit that mode button until it gets to the Mvpa time. Okay? Now you're going to hold that button down for 8 seconds, and that's going to set your Mvpa level. Okay, the Mvpa level is based on the average number of steps you take per minute. Okay, and you can adjust this by increasing or decreasing your speed when you set your Mvpa level. So if you wanted to work at a higher level and not have just regular steps counted. If you wanted to work at a higher intensity, you could speed that up when you do that minute at the beginning of class. And vice versa, you could slow it down a little bit if you wanted to work at a more moderate speed. Okay, so now your Mvpa level is set. Okay, you can see that it's set there, and then I'll go back to the regular screen. Now when you move at a speed over your selected Mvpa level, you will accumulate time on both the Mvpa time counter and the activity time counter. Okay, both of those modes that I showed you. But when you move at a speed slower than your Mvpa level, you will only accumulate time on the activity time counter and the steps on the step counter. Okay, so not this Mvpa time, but the other two modes. Okay, so hold that reset button down and that should clear it. You can go back to whatever mode that you would like your pedometer to be in, and you can start your activity. What this next video shows you is that you don't even have to take it off your shorts. You can just leave it out, clipped to your shorts, and you can look at your different modes. This next video is going to show you what not to do. We do not want you to shake the pedometers. One, it will start to actually calculate steps. Okay, so you will not get an accurate reading for the day, and it will do damage to the pedometer. Okay, so please do not shake your pedometers. If you're walking with it open, for some chance if it comes open, you're going to want to shut that because it will not calculate the steps when it is open. Okay, only when it is shut, it will calculate all of your three modes. Okay, just like that, make sure it's always snap shut. Okay, so when you're walking at just a regular speed, just like this, you won't accumulate for your Mvpa level. But when you're walking at a brisk walking speed, just like this, again, that's your Mvpa level. Okay, and when you're done, you're going to want to hold down that button and reset. But before you reset it to 0 for the next class, make sure that you have taken down all of your scores in those 3 levels. If your class is taking just the steps, write down just the steps. But whatever your teacher is having you keep track of, make sure you get that jotted down on your sheet before you clear it. Okay? Record those scores, clear it, and close it on up. And you are ready to put it away back into the container for the day. And that is how we use our pedometers. I hope you enjoy this video and that you understand how we use our pedometers a little bit more. Okay? Good luck!